So I live in Portland, and people like to think of Portland as a godless city, but I want to try something in an attempt to prove that it isn't. Now I know it's not very pretty, but let's see how many honks we can get. I'm making my way over to the bridge right now. Let's see how this goes, huh? Well, the sign is up. Honk for Jesus. Well, I feel like that wasn't all that bad, considering. Good job, Portland. And that was all in under 10 minutes, considering the wind blew my really thin paper sign apart. But that was pretty good. Imagine if we could do that for a couple of hours, most of a day. Portland has a lot of godless souls, but Portland is not godless itself. Jesus still walks amongst us here. Amen.